Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Seemingly. Seemingly means so as to give impression of having certain quality. For example, a seemingly competent and well-organized person. A seemingly competent and well-organized person. Synonyms. Apparently, on the face of it, to all appearances.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The list of top sportspeople to grace Glasgow events is seemingly endless. Now, repeat after me. The list of top sportspeople to grace Glasgow events is seemingly endless. The second exempli. His eureka moment came during one of the seemingly endless group sessions. Now, repeat after me. His eureka moment came during one of the seemingly endless group sessions. The third exempli. The death of this one figure merited endless comment from, seemingly, every columnist. Now, repeat after me. The death of this one figure merited endless comment from, seemingly, every columnist.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase, Shah mat, meaning, the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.